What size are your shoes?
Julie, the breakfast man hot, baby. You alright?
Mm-hmm.